everybody, welcome back to Hillbilly Adventures. So today I got an order in that I'd placed for some new batteries. Now, I have been a fan of the Helios for a long time, and I have run these, and they have been excellent. This one is still good. Um, you know, uh, my issue now is just, it's harder for me to get these. I can order them online, but and I still support these guys. Every one of the packs I've bought from Helios over the years are still good. Um, I had a friend who bought one that was defective. I took it back, and they swapped it out, no questions asked. So, but now they don't. The competition I used to go to in North Carolina, that place is kind of shut down. So it's hard for me to get with see somebody from Helios personally, not like it used to be. But definitely, if you're in a good market for a good pack, it's going to last a real long time. Man, I'm telling you, they make good stuff. But with that being said, I got a couple buddies of mine that I do RC with, and you can check out the Facebook page, Dudes at RC, and you'll see Paul and Jr. and all of our friends hang out there. But they like to run Jen's Ace, and I was highly skeptical of Jen's Ace for quite a while, but they ran them without any problems. So I saw a deal on the E of Bays, and I decided, man, I'm going to snap some of those up. And so they came in today. So this is going to be an unboxing of the Jen's Ace Adventure 3600, 11.4 volts. So let's just do a quick comparison of the two. Now with the Jen's Ace, it's a 3600 mAh, and the Helios is a 35. Both are 3S. The Helios is 11.1 volt, and the Jen's Ace is 11.4 volt. The Helios is 30C, and the Jen's Ace is 60C. So, some better numbers, coming from the Jen's Ace. Let's compare size. You get one, and here's your box. That's what it comes in. And I've already cut the tape so that I can open the box easier, and kind of peeked in there. So that's what you get in the box. Pull this out here. There's your pack, just for a comparison. There you go. So, the Helios, a little bit wider and longer, but now width-wise this way, the Jen's Ace is wider up and down. So, I mean, weight-wise, I don't know. They feel about the same to me. I can't tell. I got a scale over here though. Let's see. Make sure the batteries in this thing are still good. I'll tell you right now, the difference is weight-wise. If you're worried about weight, okay. Looks like Helios is coming in at 7.85. Jen's Ace, 7.40. So the Jen's Ace is a little lighter. So there you go with that. Now, what else do we get in the box? Let's see. Well, looks like you got a piece of foam. Yay. Piece of plastic. That's it. That's all you get. I thought there was paperwork, which there may have been. When I opened it, I may have accidentally dropped it. Yeah, there's paperwork. Comes with your paperwork. Let's see here. What is all this mess here? That's just tells you how to discharge before charging. Please read charger, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it just basic stuff, storage. All the stuff that if you've been running lipos, you already know. If you're new, then yeah, you probably need to read that. But anyway, so as for actually using these, I literally just got it in. But like I've said, my buddies Paul and JR, they use these and they really like them. I can see some advantages to it. With your 60C rating, that's your output power. So you got twice as much. But in a crawler, it's kind of like, well, do you really need it? I guess it depends on the situation, if you're trying to power out of being stuck in a muddy area or something, I assume it probably comes in handy. But yeah, pretty nice. Good looking pack. So I'm gonna give these a whirl and see how they do. I'm just curious as to how well they actually fit in one of my rigs. I'm looking over here now to see if I've got one that I can easily bring down here. Tell you what, let me get set up and I'll bring you back. All right, this is my TRX4 Sport. It was originally a kit that I built for competition a long while back. And it has the Bauhaus, battery tray in it. And, well, Helios, just kind of ride in there and you'd strap it up. It's in there a little loose, so you'd have to strap it up pretty tight. Now this, the Gens Ace, actually fits in there better. You still have the back and forth slop, but side to side is actually better. So I probably wouldn't have to strap it in as tight. So yeah, that seems to be, pretty good right there. So anyway, I'm just gonna make this short and sweet. Guys, I've seen this pack here perform and my buddies' rigs. They're really good. They're affordable and they're available. So you might want to check it out if you're looking for a shorty pack for your competition rig that doesn't, weigh a ton. Or, like I said, the Helios, I've been singing their praises for years, and this pack right here is, as you can tell, it's been around the block. It's multiple years old. I think it's at least 3+ years old, and still works great. It's not swollen up or anything. Good pack, very very reliable. So there you go. Hopefully that will give you a sneak peek into those two types of packs, and you can make your own decision if you want to give them a try or not. And hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And spin you around here. Anyway, we'll catch you next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting and liking and doing all the stuff you guys do.